Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Dropbox. So let's have a look now. Go to the control panel on your Windows computer. Click on Programs or Programs and Pictures. Find Dropbox in the list of installed programs. Click on Dropbox to select it. Click on Uninstall. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the uninstallation process. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.